Don't look at my cables, don't look at my cables, don't look at my cables. I'll try to start this video. Probably start by sitting up. Good posture, you know. Anyways, so recently I got this NumPad from Max Keyboards, I believe. It's the brand. I'll link it in the description. And I got some linear cherry red switches. Let's see if I can open it. Let's see, focus over here. So the point of this video is essentially to compare stock switches to loop switches. Specifically linear switches, specifically cherry MX red switches. Anyways, here's the video. Wow, new lighting. Because it's darker outside and I'm really bad at these videos. But it's the same ugly cables as before. Anyways, as you saw, lubing these switches actually did a lot. All the audio came from my camera and it's straight up like stock. I don't have any mics on it. It's straight up just the camera and it still picked up a fair bit of sound from these switches. Just lubing the switches made a huge difference compared to just the stock. So yeah, I mean, if you have the time, I guess, get them lubed. If you want to find someone to commission them, I'm always down. But yeah, this is my first time lubing switches, and it's so much quieter, and it feels great. Say bye, Charlie. Okay. Peace.